Dubai is a modern city and one of the 7 emirates that make up the United Arab Emirates, UAE. Located on the southeastern coast of the Arabian Peninsula, Dubai is known for its futuristic skyline, luxury shopping, vibrant nightlife, and ambitious architectural projects. Key landmarks include the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building, and the artificial Palm Jumeirah Islands. Historically a small fishing village, Dubai experienced rapid growth in the 20th century due to oil revenue, but has diversified into sectors like tourism, real estate, finance, and trade. It has a multicultural population, and English is widely spoken, although Arabic is the official language. Dubai is also famous for hosting events such as the Dubai Shopping Festival and Expo 2020, held in 2021 due to COVID-19. The city's culture is a blend of traditional Islamic values and modern influences, making it an attractive destination for both business and leisure. Dubai's history traces back to a small fishing and pearl diving village along the Arabian Gulf, with its roots reaching as far back as the 18th century. The Al Maktoum family, Dubai's ruling family, settled in the area in 1833 and established it as a trading port. The location was ideal due to its proximity to Persia, now Iran, and it quickly became a center for fishing, pearl diving, and trade between Europe, Africa, and Asia. In the early 20th century, Dubai was a modest town reliant on its trading port and pearl industry, which collapsed in the 1930s due to the introduction of cultured pearls. Despite economic hardship, Dubai's strategic location helped it remain a vital trading hub. A turning point came in 1966 with the discovery of oil. This transformed Dubai's economy, allowing it to modernize rapidly. Under the leadership of Sheikh Rashid bin Saeed Al Maktoum, significant infrastructure projects were launched, including roads, schools, hospitals, and the Port Rashid. Oil revenues were strategically reinvested to diversify the economy and reduce dependency on oil. In 1971, Dubai became part of the newly formed United Arab Emirates. By the late 20th century, as oil reserves began to deplete, Dubai's leaders foresaw the need to shift the economy towards trade, real estate, and tourism. Massive development projects, such as the Jebel Ali Free Zone, 1985, Burj Al Arab, 1999, and the Palm Jumeirah, transformed Dubai into a global city. The city's bold ambition was further showcased in the early 2000s with the construction of the Burj Khalifa and the transformation of Dubai into a global hub for business and leisure. Today, Dubai stands as a symbol of rapid development, known for its innovative projects, cosmopolitan lifestyle, and forward-thinking vision. Its evolution from a small trading port to one of the most futuristic cities in the world is a testament to its leadership's strategic vision. Work opportunities in Dubai. Dubai is a major global business hub with a wide range of work opportunities across various sectors. Key industries include finance, real estate, tourism, technology, construction, and logistics. Many multinational companies have regional offices in Dubai, making it an attractive destination for expats seeking employment. The city is also known for tax-free salaries, which adds to its appeal. Due to the diverse economy, Dubai attracts professionals in fields like engineering, IT, healthcare, hospitality, and finance. There's also a growing focus on startups and innovation, particularly in areas like fintech, renewable energy, and AI, providing opportunities for entrepreneurs and tech enthusiasts. Work visas are typically sponsored by employers, and employment contracts are governed by UAE labor laws, ensuring regulated work hours, holidays, and other rights. Safety in Dubai. Dubai is considered one of the safest cities in the world, with a very low crime rate. The government's strict laws and efficient law enforcement contribute to a secure environment for both residents and visitors. Violent crimes are rare, and the city has a reputation for being safe for women and families. The UAE government places high importance on public safety, with a strong presence of surveillance systems and security measures across the city. Additionally, Dubai has a multicultural and tolerant society, welcoming people from all over the world. However, It's important to respect local customs and laws, especially those related to dress codes, alcohol consumption, and public behavior, as violations can lead to fines or legal action. In summary, Dubai offers promising career prospects and a secure living environment, making it a favored destination for professionals worldwide.